Good morning. This is Diane Schneers at Schneers Law Firm in Lafayette, Louisiana. I am a family law attorney here locally, and I am coming on here to address another question that has been posed to me, and that is, do I need a prenup or a prenuptial agreement or pre-marital contract? Let's talk about that a little bit this morning. Prenups are a contract between two spouses that's important, before they get married, to opt out of the community property regime in Louisiana. Now, Louisiana is known as a community property state. I'm sure you've heard that term before. It has nothing to do with common law marriages. We don't recognize those in Louisiana. What that is a status of everything that is purchased during the marriage being owned in community, in solito, inseparable under the law. And anything that's purchased after the date of the marriage, but before the date a divorce is filed or one of the spouses dies, everything in that area of time is going to be presumed to be owned in community or 50-50 in solito community interest by both spouses. Now, if you don't want that to be the case, you do in fact need to execute a prenuptial agreement or a premarital contract with a private attorney to opt out of the community regime. And that is you choosing to maintain separate property during the marriage. And that includes income as well, because income earned by the effort, skill, or industry of either spouse during the term of the marriage is indeed considered to be community income. And that applies whether one spouse works and one stays home with the children, or both spouses work, or neither spouse works. Any money earned through the effort, skill, or industry of either spouse is going to be community income. Now, the prenup can separate that when you opt out of the regime. What a prenup does is state to the court that we want everything to be separate unless we designate it as community. And the way that's done is that you execute the prenup, one person keeps their account, the other person keeps their account, you open a joint account, and anything that you want to be community is deposited into the joint account. Any property that you want to be co-owned is put in the names of both spouses. And the document will outline that in detail if it's prepared properly by a licensed attorney, which I also highly recommend that you speak with a private attorney. Don't go printing forms off the internet that may or may not apply in Louisiana. In case you don't know, Louisiana is the only state that follows the civil code, the Napoleonic Civil Code, which is a different body of law than the common law. In many respects, the common law is followed by all the other states. Louisiana, Napoleonic Civil Code, major differences in certain areas. So don't print forms off the internet. Whether you do a prenup, a will, or any kind of legal form, contact a private attorney and at least get your questions answered and have them review the document for you. So I hope that covers all of the information that you would want to know about premarital contracts or prenuptial agreements, as they're also known. We would be happy to prepare one for you here at Schneers Law. We do charge a flat hourly rate for preparation of that document, but it does include all revisions for the life of the document. You can reach us here at on Camellia Boulevard in Lafayette, Louisiana, or by calling 337-534-4326. Thank you.